We have all of our group members here ready and to start explaining. So first of all, the fishes shall come and present. We hope you enjoy this adventure and tell you more facts that you may think which is actually a no but actually correct. Let's begin.
As fishes, but they are indeed. Right, Rolisha? Yeah. And did you know they give birth? Yeah, not the female seahorses. Male seahorses give birth. Mind-blowing, right? As you can see the little part of the tail, that's where they reproduce and give birth from.
The amphibians include axolotls, salamanders, frogs, and even more. That they have a backbone, also known as a spine. Did you know the word amphibian means two lives? When they're young, they're tadpoles and live in the water. But in the adulthood, they live on land.
Can you see the bottom of a snake? It's so small, right? But the snake's egg is actually the size of a golf ball.
What is this? This is a snapping turtle. There are two different kinds of snapping turtle. One is the common snapping turtle and second is the crocodile snapping turtle. The crocodile snapping turtle is more larger than the common snapping turtle. It has longer claws.
You know that another amazing fact that they can also change color when they sense danger. If they are on a leaf, they can also turn into green. If they are on the ground, if they are snow, they can also turn their color into white. And if the ground is brown, they can also turn their color into brown. And did you know that scientists use their blood to put it in chemicals and use that in the medicines to give it to the animals which parts are infected?
Why does lizards only come in summers, not in winters?
Because they are cold-blooded and they hibernate.
They hibernate during the winters?
Yeah.
You are right and you are right as well, but now I will tell my point. Lizards are cold-blooded and they cannot survive the cold temperature, so they need sun to survive. And lizards don't need sun.
I'm going to tell you about how we use these persuasive techniques in our persuasive writing class. We all wrote a letter to our dear principal, Ma'am Neela, to ask her for our permission.
So that was the part of this project.
Yeah,
The letter you wrote.
to ask. Now I'm going to tell you about logos, ethos, and pathos. So first, logos appeals to the audience to build up logical arguments, and ethos appeals to the speaking
Techniques. The ones being alliteration, ethos, pathos, and logos, power of three, and the rule of three.
In the sea like whale, there are thousands of species of different mammals. They regulate their body too.
Mammals give their young survival skills. They have 3 middle ear bones. They have more than a complex brain.
Okay. Now, there are many cute mammals, but I have some of the most unique mammals. The Chinese water deer. Here we have the picture of it, and then we have the naked mole rat. Now we will tell you about the Chinese water deer.
Chinese water deer. Their Latin name means without armor. They live near land alongside river. Their teeth can grow up to
Unique mammals. The Chinese water deer. Here we have the picture of it, and then we have the naked mole rat. Now we will tell you about the Chinese water deer.
Chinese water deer. Their Latin name means without armor. They live near land alongside river. Their teeth can grow up to 6 centimeters.
Okay. Now we are going to tell you about the naked mole rats. Naked mole rat, they don't drink water. The picture is like here. They sleep belly up. They sleep belly up. Okay. And one disturbing fact about the naked mole rat is that they eat their own poop.
Like the reptiles combined some subjects together, we also did. So I'm going to tell you some facts in mathematics. The first one is a bird can turn his head to 270 degrees, and the bird called to convert has the biggest beak in the world, measuring up to 7.5 centimeters. It's even bigger than the hummingbird. So, the bird called the ostrich right over here. It's
The best. Now comes the best and interesting group, mammals. As we all are also mammals. Okay. Now, mammal's scientific name is Mammalia. Their rank is class, and their class or kingdom is Animalia. Now, get ready to listen the characteristics.
an African grey. It can say 200 words that humans can say. It can say hello. It's famous for
Really? Which bird you were talking about?
And his name is Einstein, but his breed is an African grey.
Can we see the picture of that bird?
We don't have the picture of that bird.
Why?
Because it wasn't enough space to fit
Okay.
it in. So now Rizwan, don't get fooled by their cute looks, because Rizwan is gonna tell you about the most disturbing facts and amazing facts about birds.
A group of ravens is called murder. Raven is associated with death. Raven is known as bad omen, and raven is sometimes found in graveyard. Owls are only found at night and mostly not seen in days, just like a vampire. A bird called hood mockingbird.
The second one being birds have beaks, but inside their beaks they don't actually have any teeth. So